Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Selma. If you're new here, today we are making 3 easy, healthier desserts in the air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, don't worry, you can make all of these in the oven too. We're making baked peaches, a single serve blueberry crisp, and air fryer banana boats. First, we're going to make the baked peaches. They're ready in just 15 minutes and you only need 4 ingredients: peaches, coconut oil, maple syrup, and cinnamon. First, cut your peaches in half and remove the pits. You want to use soft and ripe peaches in this recipe. Next, mix together the coconut oil, maple syrup, and cinnamon. You need 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you could use butter instead. And 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. And about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. If you're using butter instead of coconut oil, you might need to melt it in the microwave for a few seconds. Then place the peaches into the air fryer basket lined with parchment paper. And then brush them with the mixture. Then air fry them cut side up at 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes, or you can also bake them in the oven. Place the peaches into a baking dish lined with parchment paper, cut side up, and bake at 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. I like to serve these with vanilla skyr, but you could of course serve these with vanilla ice cream. That would be a delicious combination too. These look so good. Let's do a taste test. The peaches turned out super soft, sweet, and juicy. This is a perfect dessert for summer. Next, we're making the single serve blueberry crisp. For the berry filling, we need blueberries, lemon juice, and cornstarch or potato starch. And for the topping, we need oats, peanut butter, maple syrup, cinnamon, and I also like to add ground cardamom for extra flavor because it works perfectly with the blueberries. This takes less than 5 minutes to prep, so let's get to it. First, make the filling. You need 3/4 cup of blueberries and juice of half a small lemon and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch or potato starch. For the topping, mix together 1/4 cup of rolled oats and 1 tablespoon of unsweetened creamy peanut butter and 1 to 2 teaspoons of maple syrup and about half a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom. And then top the blueberry filling with the crumble topping. Then place the ramekin into the air fryer basket and air fry at 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit for about 12 to 14 minutes, or bake in the oven at 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. I like to serve this with vanilla skyr or vanilla ice cream. So let's try it out. It's really yummy. The topping is nice and crispy and the berries are sweet and juicy. It's the perfect combination. Lastly, we're making the air fryer banana boats. This is a fun 10-minute dessert idea. You need a banana and a little bit of maple syrup, nut butter of choice, dark chocolate chips, and any chopped nuts you like. First, you need to cut the banana in half lengthwise. Leaving the skin on helps to hold together the banana so it doesn't turn to mush. Then we place the banana onto a piece of parchment paper. For extra sweetness, you can add a little bit of maple syrup on top, but this is totally optional. Next, we sprinkle cinnamon on top. You could air fry or bake these like this, or then you can add toppings of choice. I recommend adding any type of nut butter and chocolate chips and chopped nuts of choice for a crunchy element. But you could even make a s'mores flavor by adding mini marshmallows, chocolate chips, and crushed cookies on top. I'm adding creamy unsweetened peanut butter. Just drizzle it on top. And dark chocolate chips. And chopped pecans. Now they should look like this. Then air fry at 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 minutes, or bake in the oven at 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or until the banana is soft and caramelized and the chocolate has melted. And here's the ready air fried banana. It looks so good. Let's do a taste test. This is so yummy. This time I air fried it for 6 minutes, and last time I made it, I air fried it for 8 minutes. And then it was even softer and more caramelized. So I recommend air frying it for 8 minutes so you'll get softer and more caramelized banana. And it's a perfect combination with the lightly toasted pecans and melted dark chocolate. This would be perfect with vanilla ice cream. The written recipes are in the description as always. For more healthy and easy recipes, check out my recipe ebooks. I'll add the link down below. Enjoy!